Hi everybody, it's Gloria Shirley, and on this video we're going to learn how to use speech to text in Canvas on a PC. So the first thing we're going to do is come down here to the taskbar and right click, and then we're going to select Show Touch Keyboard button. So we enable that, and if you look down here, we have the touch keyboard. So we're going to open that up. And then we have this microphone, just like maybe on your iPhone or your Android, you have a speech to text function on your keyboard. We also have that on a PC. So we're going to tap that. And we have to do one more thing. It prompts us to use dictation. Go to settings and turn on online speech recognition. It even gives us a link to do that. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to turn this on. So online speech recognition, we're going to toggle that on. And it says if you turn off the online speech recognition, you won't be able to speak to Cortana or use dictation. So once we've done that, we're going to close out of that. Then we're going to navigate to the place in Canvas that we want to dictate. So we're going to click on Submit Assignment. Now this assignment has been set for online submission, and the only option is text entry. So we can tap in there with our finger or the mouse, and now we're ready. So we're going to tap on the taskbar down here. We're going to open this touch keyboard again, and then we are going to tap the microphone. Now we will begin speaking, period. The character that I want to make an observation about is Liliana, period. Stop dictating. Now you can see it put in stop dictating there. It should have just stopped the dictating. So it has some learning to do, obviously, but it also has an auto stop, so the dictation turns off after 5 seconds. So that's how you do speech to text in Canvas. Thanks for watching.